Hello dear students. Today I am going to explain the question is it is from pericyclic reactions. It is from pericyclic reactions. It is very important, very useful for net, set and peer, DL and JL aspirants. It is very easy scoring topic. So now I discuss about question. It is first question from pericyclic. The topic is pericyclic reactions. So see the question first. Thermolysis of aryl allyl ether to give major product. First you understand question to give major product. Major product. So in this question they asked major product, but given reaction, it is a given reaction. You know already it is a well-known rearrangement. It is a well-known rearrangement, that is Claisen rearrangement. Claisen rearrangement. Claisen rearrangement. Arrangement. It is very important topic. It is the question is very important. Thermolysis of aryl allyl ether to give major product. In this thermal condition, this reaction is going on thermal condition, but in this question, major product means which sigmatropic shift, which 1,3 or 3,3 or whatever it is, which sigmatropic shift is involved to give major product. This the question is, the criteria of question is which sigmatropic shift involved to give major product, right? So the Claisen rearrangement, particular these aryl allyl ether, in this particular this structure, the sigmatropic shift in Claisen rearrangement, sigmatropic it is possible to 1,3 and 3,3 and 3,5 sigmatropic shift are involved in to give product. So it is possibility. Claisen rearrangement 1,3, 3,3 and 3,5 shift, sigmatropic shift are involved in particular these structure. So the four option given in this question, that is 5,5 sigmatropic shift and 3,4 sigmatropic shift and 3,3 sigmatropic shift and 1,3 sigmatropic shift. So it is possibility only 1,3 and 3,3 and 3,5 sigmatropic shift. But there is no given option in 3,5 and 5,5. So it is not possible, and 3,4 it is also not possible. Mean 3,3 and 1,3 is possible in Claisen rearrangement. Claisen rearrangement in 1,3 and 3,3 it is possible. So in this question, the major product. So 1,3 and 3,3 sigmatropic shift involved in to give same product. It is same product mean ortho allyl phenol. But which one is involved to give major product? It is the main concept this question. So 1,3 or 3,3. Which sigmatropic shift involved and to give major product? It is very important. See here this reaction. It is aryl allyl ether. It is two sigmatropics are involved in this question. Aryl allyl ether, it is possible to two sigmatropic reaction in this question. Number 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1,3 direct bond, sigma bond is break and direct connect with this position. Connect with this position and give product is is 1 comma 3 sigma tropic shift and 3 comma 3 sigma tropic shift. 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 3 sigma tropic the same product, but here 3 comma 3 sigma tropic shift. It is 3 comma 3 sigma tropic shift. So in this question, but particularly this structure, it is Claisen rearrangement and it is possibility 1 comma 3, 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5 sigma tropic shift are involved into give product. But 3 comma 5, but in this not in a para allyl phenol. If 3 comma 5 shift is involved, para allyl phenol, but there is no given option. But in this option there is no given option 3 comma 5. Only 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 3 it is possible to this question is possible. But major product mean 1 comma 3 sigma tropic shift or 3 comma 3 sigma tropic. Which one is involved in this reaction to give major product? It is very important to sigma tropic shift. So need evidence which one is involved 1 comma 3 or 3 comma 3. But it is major and it is less. So major product is 3 comma 3 shift. So it is 3 comma 3, option B is correct. But now need evidence. But 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 3, which sigma tropic shift are involved into give major product. But already 3 comma 3 it is a major. But evidence to see here, two products are involved and reactions to give which one is major product. It is 3 comma 3 sigma tropic shift product in this case. Okay, now it is osmium tetroxide. It is oxidation to double bond and give the product is and the bond is break here. It is give the product and evidence for which one is major product. And it is 3 comma 3 shift and but it is major, the product is very it is major product and it is less product. So confirm it is 3 comma 3 shift is major product, but it is to form very less product after oxidation of double bond. It is very less product. It is very less product. Less product. So it is evidence for which one is more product, major product. It is evidence. Evidence. So 3 comma 3 and 1 comma 3, it is major product, it is major and it is very less product. So after it is it is evidence for which one is major product. So 3 comma 3 shift is major product. It is option B. Very important. It is first question. But next class is I will explain next second question. I will explain second question. Thank you. Thank you very much.